1.
Hello.
Hi, Tony, it's Nina. Where are you?
We're on the train. We're going to Birmingham for the weekend.
Oh, great. How's the journey?
Fine. I'm reading the paper and Alice is doing something on her laptop.
2.
Hello?
Fiona, hi. It's Pete. How are you? What are you doing?
Fine, we're at home. I'm just cooking some dinner.
What's Tim doing?
He's watching the football. Can't you hear?
Ah, right.
1.
What's Tony doing?
He's reading the paper.
2.
What's Alice doing?
She's doing something on her laptop.
3.
Where are Tony and Alice going?
They're going to Birmingham.
4.
What's Fiona cooking?
She's cooking dinner.
5.
What's Tim watching?
He's watching the football.
Oh, hi, Dad. Are you okay?
Yes, fine. Are you all right? Where are you?
Yeah, great. I'm at Ellie's house. We're sitting in her bedroom.
Ah, okay. And what are you doing at Ellie's house?
We're, working on the internet.
Oh, right. Is this schoolwork?
Yeah, I'm doing my homework.
Who's that shouting?
That's Ellie's sister. We're looking after her.
Really? Okay, well, see you later then. Bye.
I'll be home about 6, Dad. Bye.
Who's who?
Oh dear, I don't know anybody. Who are they all?
Don't worry, they're all very nice. I'll tell you who everybody is. Can you see that man over there?
The man near the window?
Yes, that's Paul. He's talking to Sophie. He's a banker, very rich and very funny. He works in New York.
Wow, so he's Paul. Okay. And that's Sophie next to him.
Yes, she's laughing at Paul's jokes. She's lovely. She's a professor at Bristol University. She teaches business studies.
And who's that woman on the left?
That's Helena. She's drinking champagne. She's a writer. She writes stories for children. They're excellent. A very nice lady.
And who's that man she's talking to?
Helena's talking to Roger. Roger's eating crisps. He's an interesting man. He's an art dealer. He works for the British Museum.
Really? Wow, what a job. So that's Paul and Sophie, Helena and Roger. Now, there are two more. Who are they?
They're Sam and Penny. They're looking at a photo on Sam's phone.
And what do they do?
They're designers. They make clothes for children.
Okay. So that's everybody. Thanks.
That's all right.
Everything was too expensive. 1.
Did you buy anything at the shops?
No, nothing.
Why not?
Everything was too expensive.
What a pity.
But I bought something for you. Happy birthday.
Oh.
2.
Did you talk to anybody interesting at the party?
No, nobody.
Why not?
Everybody was dancing and the music was really loud.
Oh.
But I danced with somebody beautiful, a girl called Kate.
3.
Did you go anywhere on Saturday night?
No, nowhere.
Why not?
Everywhere was closed. There wasn't one club open.
That's incredible.
So next weekend I'm going somewhere more interesting.
Oh.
An interview with an astronaut.
Soichi, what exactly is your job?
I'm an aeronautical engineer, and I'm a JAXA astronaut.
What is JAXA?
JAXA is the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency.
What did you study at university?
Well, I studied engineering, of course. Aeronautical engineering.
Where did you study? Which university?
I studied at the University of Tokyo, and I graduated in 1991.
Which part of Japan are you from?
I'm from Yokohama, Kanagawa, which is part of Tokyo.
Are you married?
Yes, and I have 3 children.
What do you like doing when you're on Earth?
Well, I guess my hobbies are jogging and basketball, and I like skiing and camping with my kids.
What are you doing on the space station at the moment?
I'm doing quite a few spacewalks. I'm going out into space, and I'm checking the instruments on the outside of the space station to make sure they're working properly.
You're part of the Russian crew. What does this mean?
It means that my commander is Oleg Kotov from Roscosmos, and I'm working in his team. We're studying weather conditions in space, and we're doing experiments with plants to see how they grow in zero gravity.
What do you do when you aren't working?
Well, I spend a lot of time just looking down at you on Earth. And I think how lucky I am to be here, and I wish that everyone could see the Earth from space. Maybe people would stop fighting if they could see how beautiful our planet is.
Social expressions. 1.
Patrick and I are getting married.
Wow! That's fantastic! Congratulations.
Thanks. We're both very excited and a bit nervous.
2.
Can I help you?
No, I'm just looking, thanks.
Just tell me if you need anything.
That's very kind.
3.
Don't forget it's a bank holiday on Monday.
Sorry, what does that mean?
It means it's a national holiday. The garage is closed. Most places are closed.
4.
We're going to the cinema tonight.
Oh, lovely. Well, I hope you enjoy the film.
Thanks. I'll tell you all about it.
Great.
5.
Excuse me. This machine isn't working.
I'm sorry. Let me have a look. Ah, it isn't switched on, that's why.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
No problem.
6.
Hi, can I speak to Dave, please?
I'm afraid he isn't here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes. Could you ask him to phone Kevin?
Sure, I'll do that.
7.
Thanks for the invitation to your party, but I'm afraid I can't come.
What a pity. Never mind.
I'm going away that weekend.
It's okay. Another time.
8.
Bye.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks.
We'll see you in a couple of days.
I hope you have a good time.
We'll try.
We're off to see the world.
First we're going to Egypt.
Why? To see the pyramids?
Well, yes, but also we want to take a cruise down the Nile.
Fantastic. Where are you going after that?
Well, then we're going to Tanzania to...
Wow! You're going to climb Kilimanjaro.
Yes, and then we're flying to India.
Are you going to visit the Taj Mahal?
Of course. But we're also going on a tiger safari.
You're going to see tigers?
Well, we hope so. Then we're going to Cambodia to visit the temples of Angkor Wat and...
Then to Australia to see Ayers Rock. We want to take photographs of it at sunset. Did you know it turns from pink to purple at sunset?
Really? And are you going to Sydney?
Oh, yes. We're taking a flight from Sydney to Antarctica.
Yeah, It's a day trip to see the coldest place on Earth.
I can't believe this. How many more places?
2. We're flying from Sydney to Peru
To see Machu Picchu, of course.
Yes. And then from Peru to the US, to Yellowstone Park, to see the supervolcano and perhaps some grizzly bears.
Then home.
Amazing. What a trip! How long is it going to take?
9 months to a year, we think.
Describing a holiday. 1.
Where are they going?
To the south of France.
2.
When are they going?
On May the 21st.
3.
How are they travelling?
By plane and hired car.
4.
How long are they staying?
For 10 days.
5.
Where are they staying?
In a house in a village.
6.
What are they going to do?
They're going to swim, go shopping in the markets, read and relax, and eat in good restaurants.
Been there, done that.
Hi, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Ah, Rome. I've been to Rome many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend, Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
Ah, London and Paris. I've been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to the US?
No, I haven't. I haven't travelled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times, and
I'm sure you have, Kyle. Oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Kyle. We'll send you a postcard.
Have you ever been to Greece?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have.
When did you go?
2 years ago.
Where did you go?
Rome, Florence and Venice.
Fantastic. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did. It was great.
Getting ready to go.
Where's the list?
I've got it. OK, let's check through. We've bought new backpacks. We did that a while ago.
They look quite big. I hope we can carry them.
No worries. I haven't finished packing mine yet. Have you?
Not yet. Just 1 or 2 more things to go in. Oh, have you collected the euros from the bank?
Yep. I've just collected 500 for you and 500 for me.
All our savings. I hope it's enough.
No worries. We can stay with my aunt in London.
Have you emailed her yet?
Yeah, she's just emailed back. She's going to meet us at the airport when we fly into London from Rome.
Fantastic. Hey, look, I've just found out the weather in Rome for next week. Hot and sunny.
Yay! It's going to be so good. We're going to leave winter here and arrive in the middle of summer in Europe.
What about the tickets?
I think we only need passports, but I've printed e-tickets just in case. But I haven't checked in online yet. You can only do that 24 hours before the flight.
Oh, Mel, I am so excited. I can't wait.
No, not yet. 1.
Have you checked your emails yet?
Yes, I've just checked them, but there wasn't one from you.
2.
Have you done the shopping?
No, I haven't. I'm too tired to go out.
3.
Have you washed your hair?
Yes, I've just washed it.
4.
Have you cleaned the car yet?
Yes, I've just cleaned your car and mine.
5.
Mum, have you made the dinner yet?
Yes, dinner's ready. Go and wash your hands.
6.
Have you done the washing up yet?
No, I did it last night. It's your turn.
7.
Have you met the new student yet?
Yes, I have. I met her on the way to school this morning.
8.
Have you finished the exercise?
Yes, I've just finished it. Thank goodness.
Take and get. 1.
Oh, it's really hot in here. Why don't you take off your jumper?
2.
Is your office near where you live?
No, it takes a long time to get to work.
3.
What are your work colleagues like?
Great. We all get on really well.
4.
How often are there exhibitions in the museum?
They take place regularly, every 2 months.
5.
Do you like learning English?
It's okay, but sometimes I get really bored.